Road rage and aggressive driving behavior, Part 2. List 3 ways in which you can practice restraint while driving. Practicing restraint while driving is essential to creating a safer and more peaceful environment on the roads. It can help prevent road rage incidents and contribute to an overall decrease in accidents. Here are 3 ways in which you can cultivate restraint while driving. 1. Be mindful of your emotions. Emotions play a significant role in driving behavior, and when left unchecked, they can easily escalate into road rage. Instead of reacting impulsively to frustrating situations, take a moment to recognize and manage your emotions. Deep breathing exercises, listening to calming music, or practicing positive self-talk can all help diffuse tense moments behind the wheel. 2. Avoid aggressive behaviors. Driving with aggression often leads to dangerous situations for yourself and those around you. To practice restraint on the road, resist the urge to tailgate, honk excessively, or use offensive hand gestures towards other motorists. Opt for defensive driving techniques instead. Maintain a safe following distance, signal well ahead of lane changes, and yield graciously when necessary. 3. Practice empathy. Cultivating empathy towards other drivers is crucial in restraining yourself from engaging in aggressive behavior. Remember that everyone on the road is dealing with their own set of challenges and stressors. Therefore, it's important not to make assumptions about their intentions or judge them harshly based on their actions alone. By putting yourself in others' shoes and adopting a compassionate mindset while driving, you'll be able to respond more calmly during frustrating situations. Explain why getting enough sleep is crucial for safe driving and preventing road rage incidents. Getting enough sleep is crucial for safe driving and preventing road rage incidents for several reasons. Firstly, lack of sleep can impair our cognitive abilities, leading to decreased alertness and slower reaction times on the road. When we're tired, it becomes harder to focus on the task at hand and make quick decisions when facing unexpected situations or hazards. This makes us more susceptible to making mistakes that can potentially lead to accidents and trigger aggressive behavior. Adequate rest allows our brains to function optimally, ensuring we are in a clear state of mind while driving. Furthermore, studies have shown a direct link between sleep deprivation and increased irritability or aggressiveness in individuals. When we don't get enough sleep, our emotional regulation becomes compromised, leaving us more prone to experiencing anger or frustration while navigating through traffic. These heightened emotions can easily escalate into acts of road rage if not properly managed. By prioritizing sufficient rest each night, we give ourselves the opportunity to remain calm and composed behind the wheel, reducing the likelihood of engaging in hostile interactions with other drivers. Describe 2 potential legal consequences of road rage incidents. One potential legal consequence of road rage incidents is criminal charges. When a road rage incident escalates to physical violence or property damage, the individuals involved can face criminal charges such as assault, battery, or even reckless endangerment. These charges carry serious consequences, including fines and potentially even jail time. In addition, having a criminal record can impact future job prospects and personal relationships. Another legal consequence of road rage incidents is civil liability for damages. If a road rage incident results in an accident or injury to another person, the aggressor may be held financially responsible for any resulting damages through a civil lawsuit. This can include medical expenses, property damage repairs, and compensation for pain and suffering. It's important to note that insurance coverage may not protect against intentional acts or negligence during cases of road rage. Explain how practicing assertive communication can help de-escalate road rage situations. One way to address the root cause of road rage is by practicing assertive communication. Assertive communication involves expressing oneself in a clear, direct, and respectful manner while also taking into consideration the rights and feelings of others. By utilizing assertive communication techniques during moments of road frustration, drivers can effectively de-escalate tense situations on the road. When faced with a road rage incident, reacting aggressively or defensively only fuels the fire and increases the potential for accidents or violence. However, by using assertive communication skills such as maintaining eye contact, using a calm tone of voice, and addressing concerns directly but politely with other drivers involved, individuals can significantly reduce confrontations on the road. This approach can help diffuse anger and frustration while promoting mutual respect between drivers. What is the root cause of road rage? A. Stress and frustration. B. Impatience and aggressive behavior. C. Lack of empathy and understanding. D. All of the above. Correct answer. D. All of the above. How can you manage your own emotions while driving? A. Take deep breaths and stay calm. B. Listen to loud music to distract yourself. C. Engage in aggressive driving behaviors. D. Ignore other drivers' mistakes. Correct answer. A. Take deep breaths and stay calm. Which of the following statements is true about road rage incidents? A. They are always caused by external factors. B. They rarely lead to accidents or injuries. C. They often escalate quickly if not addressed early on. D. They are only experienced by inexperienced drivers. Correct answer. C. They often escalate quickly if not addressed early on. How can defensive driving techniques help prevent road rage situations? A. By anticipating potential hazards and reacting calmly. B. By speeding up to get away from aggressive drivers. C. By honking excessively at other drivers. D. By tailgating slower vehicles. Correct answer. A. By anticipating potential hazards and reacting calmly. What should you do if you encounter an aggressive driver on the road? A. Respond with aggressive behavior to assert dominance. B. Avoid eye contact and maintain a safe distance. C. Try to outmaneuver them in traffic. D. Call the police immediately. Correct answer. B. Avoid eye contact and maintain a safe distance. True or false? Road rage incidents are more likely during rush hour. B. False. Correct answer. A. True.